Alright, if you're diabetic, look away. This might kill you. Hello, welcome back to Vintage Vittles. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make my grandma's fudge. To start off, you're going to take a big saucepan, put it on medium heat, and you're going to add a stick and a half of either butter or margarine to the pan. Pick your poison.
I'm not surprised that your recipes start with so much butter.
Don't make me add more butter. Now we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of evaporated milk, non-sweetened, because it's already going to be sweet enough.
Some would argue with you, Dennis.
Now we're going to add 3 cups of sugar. You heard that right. There's more sugar than liquid.
What?
From now on out, you have to be stirring constantly the whole time, so you don't end up with burnt sugar on the bottom of your pan. You need to make sure it all dissolves in there.
Shall I, Dennis? Do you trust me?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, from now on, you're going to keep stirring until it comes to a roaring boil. Alright, so now we're going to keep stirring it for another 4 minutes, and then we're going to take it off the heat and add all the good stuff.
Nice.
On top of the already good stuff.
That sounds fantastic.
Alright, so once it's a roaring boil, it's a battle of man versus machine to make sure nothing burns in the bottom.
You'll notice a little bit of the brown bits. Dennis panicked a bit, and I panicked a bit because we might be losing the fight.
Dennis was a mighty man. Alright, now turn off the heat and take it off the burner. Now you're going to mix in the chocolate and the marshmallow really fast.
Oh man. Alright, you take the chocolate then.
I have to stir!
Oh no!
Take the chocolate!
Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
Chocolate! Chocolate!
And
Just stir faster. Oh, I don't have the muscles left for this.
break up the chunks, man.
Just pour faster.
What do you mean? I'm introducing the chocolate smoothly.
Alright, now once you got the chocolate stirred in, you're gonna add a whole thing of marshmallow fluff. Because you just don't get to stop stirring ever. Alright, now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
You ever notice how vanilla extract is brown? Oh wait, no, never mind. It's probably clear. I'm an idiot.
And a cup of your favorite kind of nuts. I used walnuts, but you can use these.
Oh my god, you're on fire, Dennis.
Alright, now transfer your fudge into whatever receptacle you're going to cool it in for the next, I don't know, hour.
Oh man, this angle's kind of awkward.
Alright, let's smooth it out before it starts to harden.
Yeah. Oh wow, this is still really hot. Here we find Dennis, his natural habitat. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is intensely sweet.
I'm going to go lay down.
Yeah.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and maybe you'll get one of these.